In this video, I'm having a look in the course support notes 3.2e to mention some areas of human influence, which are from a section where you might have been asked in school to do a little bit of research. Human activities have a major effect on biodiversity and species distribution. One example is pollution, which we look at later in this video, as well as in Key Area 6. Deforestation, particularly the destruction of rainforests, has led to destruction of habitats and extinction of plant and animal species. Deforestation also lets topsoil wash away. Normally the roots hold the topsoil in place, but as the rain comes down, the soil just gets washed away if there's no trees, and this encourages desertification, which is the formation of deserts. Overfishing has led to fish species becoming endangered, for example, the Atlantic cod. The last subsection is indicator species. These are species who, by their presence or absence, give us a clue as to how polluted the environment is or not. So we look at this example of a river. If we're in a very unpolluted area, the species that are present will be entirely different from if we were in a polluted area. And from that, we can tell this, how clean the water is without even doing any chemical tests. Now, there's a range of species on here. You don't need to learn them all. I tend to recommend learning an example of an indicator species that tells us there's low pollution. So I might go with the mayfly nymph and learn that one. And then for an area of high pollution, I tend to go for the sludge worm. It doesn't sound a very attractive name, so it's quite easy to remember that sludge worm is associated with a polluted part of the river.